If you're in the market for a CRM that offers customization options, you've probably come across Salesflare and Claritysoft CRM. Both offer some great features, but when it comes to customization, which one truly stands out? Stick around to find out, because I'll be diving deep into each of these tools, weighing their pros and cons, and at the end, I'll recommend what I believe is the best option for your needs. Let's start with Salesflare. Salesflare is a CRM that prides itself on being intuitive and easy to use, which is great for businesses that want something simple but effective. The customization options in Salesflare are fairly solid. It offers customizable fields, pipelines, and workflows, allowing you to tailor the system to your business's unique needs. However, while it's flexible, it doesn't offer the same level of in-depth customization that some users might expect. For example, if you're looking for something that lets you really tweak every little detail of the interface or the user experience, you might find Salesflare a bit limited in that area. Next thing, let's talk about Claritysoft CRM. When it comes to customization, Claritysoft CRM is a little more robust. It offers more flexibility in terms of customizing fields, layouts, and workflows. You can also create custom reports and dashboards, which can be really helpful if you're looking to track specific metrics. The platform also supports custom user permissions, allowing different users to have different levels of access based on your preferences. But despite this level of customization, Claritysoft can sometimes feel a bit clunky. The user interface isn't as polished as Salesflare, and while it offers a lot of options, it might take a little longer to get the system set up to your liking. Now, let's compare how these CRMs handle integrations. Salesflare does a pretty good job here, offering integrations with popular tools like Google Workspace, MailChimp, and Zapier. But when it comes to more niche tools or custom integrations, it's not as flexible as some other CRMs out there. Claritysoft CRM, on the other hand, has a wider range of integration options, including integrations with accounting software, marketing tools, and even telephony systems. While it's more flexible, the setup process for these integrations can sometimes be a little more complicated. The fourth thing I want to highlight is customer support. Both Salesflare and Claritysoft CRM offer support options, but Salesflare tends to have a more modern approach with a knowledge base, chat support, and email. Claritysoft CRM, on the other hand, offers phone support and email, which might be more appealing to businesses that need a bit more personal interaction when troubleshooting. The downside with Claritysoft is that their response times aren't always the quickest. When it comes to pricing, both platforms offer tiered plans, but Salesflare can get a little pricey as you scale up. You might find that some of the advanced customization features are locked behind higher tier plans, which could be a deal breaker for smaller businesses. Claritysoft is generally more affordable, especially if you're just starting out, but keep in mind that some of the customization features you might need could require an enterprise plan. So, with all of that being said, both Salesflare and Claritysoft CRM have their strengths, but they each have their limitations in terms of customization. If you're looking for something that's user-friendly, but still offers some customization, Salesflare might be the better choice. But if you need something with a bit more flexibility in terms of reporting, user permissions, and integrations, Claritysoft could be the one for you. But here's the thing, while these two CRMs are great, they may not offer the level of customization that some businesses truly need. After trying both of them myself, I'd recommend checking out another CRM that's tailored more towards deep customization. If you're looking for a CRM that can truly be molded to fit your exact needs, click the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, if you're after customization that goes beyond what Salesflare or Claritysoft can provide, don't miss out on this offer.